Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can fix the issue with the Whirlpool dryer, error LOC or LC. And I screenshot you many products from Whirlpool for you to actually see how to fix that. So this error is for when you're gonna have it locked. So for example, with this display, you just want to find something where you're gonna have like a key or just like where there is going to be called a control lock. So try to find it. So you're gonna have like here on this display. For this product, all you have to do is just press and hold for like up to 5 seconds and you're gonna unlock it. Then this product right here, you're gonna have control lock and again hold for 3 to 5 seconds. This product right here, it's going to be here. So between the cycle, signal and steam, you can have control lock, hold for 3 seconds. This is something where you're gonna find it. And also this product right here, you're gonna have it hold 3 seconds for control lock. So try to find this text. And above, just press the button and hold it. And also this button right here, hold for 3 seconds to lock control end of cycle signal. And that's how you're gonna do it. And I just wanted to show you also this one right here. So maybe you'll have also this one and you can have like control on. So just again, press and hold it about 3 to 5 seconds. And I hope this video is going to help you. Thank you and have a great day and goodbye.